Welcome to Bite-Sized Cocktails, where AI meets mixology. Let's craft something incredible. If the Espresso Martini were built by AI, it would run cleaner, hit harder, and leave 0 bugs in your memory. This is the AI Espresso Martini, smooth, electric, and ruthlessly efficient. We made this version, and yeah, it's not as sweet as some of the bar builds, but it hits clean, balanced, and damn good. Let's build. Start with 2 ounces of vodka. You want something clean and neutral? This isn't where you get fancy. Think of vodka as the system kernel. Quiet, stable, powerful underneath the surface. Then add 1 ounce of fresh espresso. Real espresso, not cold brew, not instant. You want that crema, that rich aroma, that hit of intensity. Let it cool for a minute before shaking, or you'll kill your ice and dilute the drink. While you're prepping the rest, here's a slick move to level up your pour.
Fill your coupe with ice and water before you start building the drink. Give it a quick stir. By the time you're done shaking, the glass will be perfectly chilled.
That chill gives the drink structure and keeps the foam from fading on contact. Total pro move. Next, 3/4 ounce of coffee liqueur. We used Kapali, a rich, dark coffee liqueur that's a little less sugary than Kahlua, but still smooth.
It gave us solid coffee flavor without going full dessert.
More classic than crafty, but it worked. If you're used to Kahlua, you'll notice a cleaner finish. If you want bolder bean flavor, something like Mr. Black might punch harder. But for this build, Kapali did the job beautifully. Then, add 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. We went with 1/4 ounce for a more refined sweetness, just enough to round out the bitterness.
But if you're used to sweeter espresso martinis, like the ones Jacob pours at the bar, go up to 1/2 ounce. It's not wrong, it's custom.
Add everything to a shaker filled with ice. Now shake it like it owes you money, 15 to 20 seconds hard. This isn't just for chill, you're aerating that top layer, building that silky crema. Strain into your now chilled coupe. Fine strain if you want a clean top layer, or don't, it's your drink. Top it off with 3 coffee beans in the classic triangle. Looks sharp, smells great, and gives it that final touch of bar-level polish. That's the AI Espresso Martini. Sleek, smart, and fully optimized for maximum output. It's not the sugar bomb you'll get at every bar. But if you like a little structure with your caffeine hit, this version slaps. Tweak the sweetness if you want. 1/4 ounce keeps it clean, 1/2 ounce takes it closer to that creamy crowd-pleaser territory.
We liked both, but the lighter build surprised us. It's tight, flavorful, and balanced.
Want to go deeper? Try a pinch of sea salt to amplify the flavor and smooth the finish. It's a pro move. Drop a note in the comments if this is your kind of cocktail, and tell us how sweet you like it. More cafe or more dessert? Smash that like button and follow us for more tech-forward pours. Want this kind of voiceover for your videos? We use 11 Labs, links in the description. Stay smooth, stay strong, stay caffeinated. Cheers! Thanks for joining us for another AI-crafted cocktail. If you had fun, smash that like button and hit subscribe. We've got more bite-sized mixology experiments coming every week. Got a crazy cocktail idea? Or want to challenge the AI? Drop it in the comments. We might just feature it in the next video. Cheers!